Welcome guys, today I am with the Huawei speaker CM510 and I'm going to show you how you can pair it with your iPhone. Okay, so first of all we have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking, so let's make it right now. There it is. Next we have to go for the settings on our iPhone. Click on the Bluetooth and then tap on the switcher. Right now we have to just simply select our speaker, not the Realme phone, it was the misclick. Okay, it's the information that the pairing is unsuccessful, but as you can see the status show us that we are connected. So we can try if it is working. Oh, let's get for the YouTube, I guess. Yeah, the sound comes from the speaker, so we are connected. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.